Welcome students, good morning. Today we going to see Unit 5 admission of partner, revaluation of assets and liabilities. Okay, so sum number 7. Okay, in this video we are going to discuss sum number 7. Amal and Vimal are partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 7:5. So Amal and Vimal are partners. Okay, so their balance sheet is given as on 31st March 2019 as follows. Okay, so liability side, capital account, Amal 70,000, Vimal 50,000, sundry creditors 30,000, profit and loss account 24,000. Then asset side, landing 80,000, furniture 20,000, stock 25,000, debtors 30,000 and the bank 19,000. So the adjustment also given. So Nirmal is admitted as a new partner on 4/2018. So admission of a new partner is Nirmal. So by introducing a capital is 30,000. So he brought capital 30,000 for one share in the future profits subject of the following adjustments. Okay. So first adjustment, stock to be depreciated 5,000 and provision for doubtful debts to be created 3,000 and the land to be appreciated by 20,000. Okay. So prepare the revaluation account and the capital account of the partners after admission. Okay. Now we are going to open the revaluation account. Revaluation account. So date, particulars, amount. So date, particulars, amount. So credit side, debit side, you know that. So first adjustment, stock to be depreciated. Depreciation means loss, you know that. So depreciated by 5,000. So to stop loss, revaluation account data to stop. So to stop 5,000. Okay. So next, provision for doubtful debts is created for 3,000. So provision for doubtful debts is loss. So debit side to provision for doubtful debts. Doubtful debts 3,000. Okay. Next, land to be appreciated by 20,000. Land to be appreciated by 20,000. Appreciation means the value of asset is increased. So by land 20,000. So 20,000. So debit side. So credit side is 20,000 and debit side is 8,000. So 20,000 minus 8,000, so 12,000. The answer is called revaluation profit. Revaluation profit 12,000. So the profit will transfer to the old partner's capital account. So old partner is Amal and Vimal. So Amal capital and the Vimal capital, the ratio is given is 7:5. So Amal capital, Vimal capital. So 12,000 into 7/12, 12,000 into 5/12. So Amal share is 7,000 and Vimal share is 5,000. Okay. So once again, so all the loss is debit side to stock 5,000, and to provision for doubtful debts 3,000. The land is appreciated by 20,000, so buy land 20,000. So credit side is more, so 20,000 minus debit side 8,000. So 20,000 minus 8,000, 12,000. So revaluation profit. Revaluation profit. So the profit will transfer to the old partners capital. So old partners will share the profit. So the ratio will given 7:5. So total 7/12. So for Amal 7,000 and Vimal 5,000. Next, we are going to open the capital account. So capital account for all partners. Okay, so date, particulars. So partners Amal, Vimal and Nirmal. Credit side same thing. Date, particulars Amal, Vimal and Nirmal. Okay, so first capital account. So first the old partners capital is given in the liability side. So Amal brought 70,000 and Vimal brought 50,000. So by balance B by D brought down. So for Amal is 70,000, for Vimal 50,000. So next for next Nirmal brought capital. So by bank account. By bank account. Okay, so Nirmal account bank account to Nirmal capital. So Nirmal brought capital is 30,000. Okay, next amount revaluation profit. So okay, revaluation profit. Revaluation profit. Okay, for Amal 7,000, for Vimal 5,000. Okay, next by profit and loss. By profit and loss, this amount is given in liability side. Okay, so liability side amount is given 24,000. Okay, so 24,000. So share to old partners only. So 24,000 into 7/12. Then 24,000 into 5/12. Okay. So 1 12s are 12, 2 12s are 24. So 7 2s are 14. 14,000. Then 5 2s are 10,000. Okay. So credit side by balance brought down 70,000, 50,000 old partners capital. Then new partner capital by bank account 30,000. Then third one by revaluation profit for Amal 7,000 and Vimal 5,000. Next by profit and loss account. So this amount the liability side. Okay, so 24,000 is given. So 24,000 share to the old partners. Ratio 7:5. So 7/12 and 5/12. So the answer 14,000, 10,000. Okay. So next debit side no. Okay. So we have to add this amount. Okay. 70,000 plus 7,000 plus 14,000, 91,000. 91,000 for Vimal, 65,000 for Nirmal, 30,000. Okay. So same thing. For Amal 91,000, for Vimal 65,000, for Nirmal 30,000. Okay. So debit side no items. So we have to do this 65,000, then 30,000. So to balance C by D carry down. 2 balance C by D, 91,000, 65,000 and 30,000. Next balance sheet, new balance sheet. Okay, so next we are going to see the balance sheet. So capital account for Amal. So capital account balance, okay, so 91,000 for Vimal, 65,000, then Nirmal 30,000. Okay, so total 1,86,000. Then next creditors 30,000. Next asset side, so land 80,000. So in adjustment, so appreciated by land is 20,000. So appreciation means we have to add 20,000. So total 1 lakh. Okay. So next furniture. Furniture amount is given 20,000. The next stock 25,000. So adjustment depreciated 5,000. Okay, so depreciation means loss, we have to minus, so 5,000. So total 20,000. Then next debtors 30,000. So minus provision for doubtful debts. Provision for doubtful debts 3,000. So 27,000. So next bank account. In assets already given bank account is 19,000. The new partner brought the capital is Nirmal brought the capital 30,000. So we have to add. So Nirmal capital, okay, 30,000. So total 49,000. Okay. So capital account Amal and Vimal Nirmal 1,80,000. Creditors 30,000. Land plus appreciation, so 80,000 plus 20,000 1 lakh. Then furniture 20,000. Stock 25,000 minus depreciation is 5,000. So 25,000 minus 5,000, 20,000. Next debtors 30,000 minus provision for doubtful debts 3,000. 30,000 minus 3,000, 27,000. Next bank 19,000 plus Nirmal capital 30,000. So 19,000 plus 30,000, 49,000. So total 2,16,000. 2,16,000. Okay. I hope you all understand this revaluation of assets and liabilities. Thank you.